Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to install Notepad++ on Windows 11. So first things first, let's bring up a web browser. I'll bring up Google Chrome and let's search for Notepad++. Now here it should always be the main result. Let's select this, and on the left hand side select Downloads. Let's make this a little bigger. Now always at the top is usually the latest version, but you can choose an earlier version if you wish. I always recommend choosing the latest version. Select that. Now here you can select 64-bit, 34-bit, 32-bit or AMR64, depending on what processor you use. Once you've selected your processor, select the download here, or here if you're a 32-bit for instance. It'll download here. It's usually really quick. We'll go to the folder here by selecting it here. We can X this web browser away at the moment. Let's double click the install folder, what we've just downloaded. A pop-up window will appear asking you, are you sure you want to install it? Let's press yes. We'll select our language. Ours is English, so we'll select OK. Then we'll select next once we've read this. We'll agree to the terms and conditions. If you want to change the destination folder, you can change it here by selecting browse. We're happy with this, so we'll select next. Then you can select the different things you want installing. I always recommend leaving this if you don't know what things are. So let's select next. We can select create a desktop shortcut here. Now we can select install. And Notepad++ is usually pretty quick to install, as we've just seen. Press finish. There you go. We have successfully installed Notepad++ on Windows 11. Now before we go, don't forget to delete the installation file, as these take up unnecessary room on your PC. So hopefully you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.